Okay, this session is to take you through the state of the wiki community in India, which is, as all of you know, we're dealing with about 20 plus languages and another 20 plus in incubation. So the intent of this session is over the next 1 hour, take you rapidly through what we call as the state of the wiki. Essentially, we intend to get some of the community folks to come and talk about that particular wiki and take you through a little bit of the state of the wiki as it is now, a bit of the history and also future plans that they have for that wiki. And this session is going to be anchored by Siju, who's been really passionate about Indic languages. And over to you, Siju, to run the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun. So in this session, each of the Indian wiki communities will come forward and briefly talk about their wiki community for a maximum of 3 or 4 minutes. So I would be, before I request all the volunteers to come who volunteered for this session to come forward. And when I call each language, please come forward and present the session. So before I am calling the volunteers, let me briefly tell you, Arun already told we have languages in more than 20 Indian languages. Let us see which all are that languages. See, we have Wikipedias in almost 20 Indian languages. I just listed the number of speakers also. Then you will know how big that community can be. You have to switch off the light, someone. So this is just listing the languages which has Wikipedias. And if you look at the number of articles in these languages, you can see that Hindi Wikipedia is the biggest Wikipedia with close to 1 lakh articles. And we have, after that, we have Telugu with 48,000 articles and Nepal Bhasha with 69,000 articles. But when you correlate the number of speakers and the number of articles, you can see that that is not matching. So number of speakers of a language is not, at least in the case of India, is not directly matching with the number of active members in the community. You can see that in next slide, which is showing the number of contributors active in each wiki, which shows that Malayalam has a wiki community which active, and it has 85 active members. But if you take the case of Hindi, which is the biggest language of India, it has just 55 languages. This one definitely shows the state of wiki communities of India and the need of growing wiki communities. So now each language community will come forward and tell you what is happening in the respective wiki. So let me first call Swati from Assamese Wikipedia.
I stand before you on behalf of Mr. Prabhakar Sharma Niyog, Professor NIT Silchar, to present the state of Assamese Wikipedia. Assamese was one of the first Indic language Wikipedias to be started in 2002, although it remained inactive in the initial years. In fact, in January 2010, there was none active Assamese Wikipedians, but by the end of 2010, there were 4 active editors in Assamese Wikipedia, and the number kept on increasing in 2011, as can be seen in the graph. It was due to the efforts of notable Assamese Wikipedians like Mr. Niyog, Mr. Barua, etc., that Assamese Wikipedian community started developing gradually. Mr. Niyog, he suggested to use social networking sites as a tool to gather people and to bring them together in contributing to Wikipedia. He created community pages on Facebook and Google, which not only helped in creating awareness, but also in channelizing the talents of students and alumni of various universities of Assam. Also, sincere and successful efforts by Mr. Barua in integrating Narayan in Assamese Wikipedia has helped a lot of budding Wikipedians in contributing Assamese articles very easily. Although this community has been seriously active only in the recent past, the development observed is seriously noteworthy. According to statistics of Wikimedia, the various indicators like number of editors, number of new Wikipedians, etc., has shown an exponential growth. It's fascinating to see that number of edits per month and number of new editors has been in the range of thousands as a percentage increase. As can be seen from the statistics, the number of articles in Assamese Wikipedia has increased by more than double amount in the last 1 year. Although we realize that this community is in the initial stages of development, but there's a lot more to be done in the future. We plan to conduct workshops and Wiki Academy sessions in various universities and colleges of Assam, and also for the public to create awareness. This community has already realized the strength of social networking, and now we plan to reach out to mass media like newspapers and magazines and other various literary communities of Assam and authors. We plan to involve people to contribute both technically and in editorial matters to Wikipedia, to Assamese Wikipedia. I hope and I assert that in the coming years, Assamese Wikipedia will be stronger, better, and stand at par with other successful projects of Wikipedia. Thank you.
Thank you, Sadi. Next, we'll have Jayanta from Bengali Wikipedia.
Good evening, everybody. I am on the behalf of Bengali Wikipedia community. My name is Jayanta. And regarding Bengali language, Wikipedia, it is the sixth most spoken language all over the world, and near about 230 million speakers all over the world. And Bengali language presently is the national language of the Bangladesh and official language of the India. And also just this year in one South Indian nation, Sierra Leone, is the official language of the Bengali. And Bengali Wikipedia is started in 2004 March. And presently in Bengali Wikipedia there are 22,000 plus articles and 2,500 pages per view per month, and 150 active editors. Future planning and our activities, our community regarding that, we are arranging monthly meetups in Calcutta, and regarding our friend nation Bangladesh, they are obviously their national language is Bengali. They are already some of the city, they are arranged some meetups. Sorry. And we are also, we have already arranged Wiki 10 anniversary in Calcutta with presence of Vishaka Datto and Board of Trustee member, and Women's Wikipedia meetup in Calcutta and Women's workshop for Kolkata all over the world, first time. And next page. And just month of October, there Wikimedia Bangladesh local chapter is created and approved by the foundation 2012 October. And that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayanta. Now I am calling the biggest wiki community of India, that is the Wikipedians contributing to English Wikipedia. I am calling Ashwin to represent English Wikipedians for you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Yuza Ashlin, and I have been requested to speak on English Wikipedia by Shiju, and I don't hold any post on that wiki project as such. But I just got some statistics and I'd like to go over the state of English Wikipedia with you. The Wiki project was started on 11th July 2006 by Ganesh K, an NRI. And it is one of the largest Indian Wikipedias. Only the Hindi Wikipedia has got more articles than us. We've got 89,874 articles as of a few days ago. But this excludes those which are not tagged with the Wiki project banner. And it is quite possible that that is Wiki project India on English Wikipedia would be number 1 in the list of Indian Wikipedias. We have 465 active editors, and our achievements as far as featured content is concerned, we've got 55 featured articles, 20 featured lists, 2 A-class articles, and 163 good articles. Now that makes a total of 240 articles. Now this gives us an average of 1 in 374 articles. That means for every 374 articles in Wiki Project India, we've got 1 featured content. Whereas for complete English Wikipedia, the ratio is 1 in 1:1,110. Now it may seem that we are better off than the rest of Wikipedia, but as far as other Wiki projects go, they've got much higher ratios. So it is a sobering thought. We are okay, but not more than okay. User Sven Mangard, he wrote a landmark op-ed in the Signpost last month, which cogently brought out that Wikipedians need to get down to cleaning their own house. Now, far too many articles need work other than adding content. And the same, I'm sorry to report, holds true for Wiki Project India. It came as quite a shock to me. I never expected the statistics to look like something like this. We have, out of the 89,000 articles, 1188 B class, 801 C class, which is a very low figure. We've got 10,931 start and 43,666 stubs. Is that some kind of a figure? And on top of it, unassessed for quality, unassessed for importance, we have got 81,000 unassessed articles. If that's not bad enough, we've got 40,000 pages with 71,415 tags which need cleanup. And thirdly, these large number of stubs and startups, they also represent a huge challenge for us to develop. Now, this is not all. These are the stark challenges which come through us, which come from the statistics. Indian Wikipedians face other challenges, that is the environmental realities. First is diversity of opinion. We've seen some incidents today where people have got different ideas of what content should be there and how it should be tackled in Wikipedia. We face a problem of reliable sources. Many of the sources which are published in India don't quite fit the very strict definition of reliable sources which is, given in English Wikipedia. There are a lot of sources which are available in India, but to us are lost in translation, those of which are in Indian languages. Besides this, a lot of our editors need their skills to be upgraded. And surprisingly, for one of the very large wiki projects, there is a lamentable lack of leadership with very few people coming forward and leading the way on Wiki Project India. As a result, this has led to a lack of coordinated activities. Though if you go on the Wiki Project site and have a look, you'll find there are a lot of neat, nice departments and all, but nothing's happening. Now don't expect me as a user to come and give a rosy picture or to, give an inflated this thing when it's not there. I am telling you the state of things as they are, and they are not at all good. So what do we need to do? Where does one even begin? Such huge challenges. So the way I suggest it is that there are 453 English active Wikipedians on English, that is on Wiki Project India. If each of us does only one cleanup activity per day, then in 1 year, in 365 days, we would have done about 1,69,725 cleanup tasks. Now that 69,725 cleanup tasks means that 2 of those challenges have been wiped out in just 1 year itself. Wikipedia the health would go up quite a lot. And then we would be able to stand here proudly in the next to next Wiki conference and say, yes, we are doing good, we are doing okay. But as of now, we all need to gird down and get down to this challenge. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashwin. Next, I'm inviting Mr. User D. Vyas from Gujarati Wikipedia.
Hi, I'm Dhaval, contribute as user DS Vyas, and I'm from Gujarati Wikipedia. Wikipedia Gujarati story is not very old, you know, this all standard stuff. We are very close to Devanagari script, so script-wise, it's not too difficult to read for anybody who knows Hindi at least. Some of the letters are even quite similar to Bangla. So there is some correlation between these for anyone because we have got very few, you'll see in next slides, that we have got very few editors, contributors. So I invite Hindi, Bangla at least, to come and contribute on our Gujarati Wikipedia, but in proper Gujarati script. So this is just a brief statistics of what we have. India itself has 6.5 crore Gujarati speakers. And you see that? Oldest wiki page is in Gujarati, when we had just 5 years back. And today, Gujarati literature stands 1100 years. So Gujarati literature started nearly 1100 years back, and our first article started just 5 years back. And after when we had the first article, it took too long for us to reach, like, I think Gujarati Wikipedia started somewhere in July 2006. July 2007. And by November or December 2008, when I joined, we had hardly 460 or some articles. And then, since then, now, in 3 years, we have got 21,000 plus. And to be really very honest, we don't have many sub-stubs, one-liners or whatever we call it. Yes, we do have many stubs, which you will definitely expect from a small community contributing there. But out of 21,710, I would say probably 1% would be comprising sub-stubs. So that's our strict policy, not to have sub-stubs. If someone has created sub-stub, we would rather prefer to delete it or immediately enhance it and bring it to stubs level, which would at least have few sentences, not just one sentence or two sentences. But yes, to improve stub and get it to a proper page level is a bit difficult task at this moment. With active users, 70 plus, we say these active users could be the one who would have yesterday joined or joined last week. But the ones who does more than 1,000 edits, you can see only 9. And out of these 9 currently, there are only 6 active. So those who have been contributing more than 1,000 articles, somewhere 3 of them have already stopped doing it. Now, today it stands that only 6 of us does frequent edits. And that has really brought it to this level, 21,700. Out of 66.5, so 6.5 crore, or let's forget about 7.5, at least Indians. If Indians start contributing, this is what? A fraction of total Gujarati speakers? Don't know, there must be many Gujarati speakers here because Mumbai has a large population of Gujaratis. Are there any anybody who speaks Gujarati? Oh, at least few. So, and do you write in Gujarati? Or do you read in Gujarati? Okay, I won't ask you write. Do you read in Gujarati? Good. So if you read in Gujarati, you can now write in Gujarati. Yeah? So you should expect a welcome message from me tomorrow, and I would expect you to see there, and me sending you welcome message tomorrow on Gujarati Wikipedia. Or why tomorrow? Tonight. Thank you. Thank you. I'll count on you. Yeah, so with this.
Thank you, yes. Now our next language is Hindi, but unfortunately I haven't got any volunteers from Hindi Wikipedia. is that itself shows the community activity there. But one user from Hindi Wikipedia sent me the slide and asked me to present that slide before you, me representing the community. So I am doing for Hindi Wiki community. Hindi Wiki community, this is the current statistics of Hindi Wiki community, which is just showing the page views per month is close to 85 lakhs. Article count is close to 1 lakh. New articles per day 11. Edits per month it is close to 1 lakh. But when you come to next important parameter, active editors, there you can see that he is not doing good. Very active editors is just 14. But when you see the number of speakers, it is close to 55 crore. That itself is showing the state of Hindi Wikipedia, where it can grow and what is its current state. So out of 55 crore speakers, we just have 56 Hindi native speakers contributing to Hindi Wikipedia. That is, I should say 0.001% of the total number of speakers. And average edits per page is 5, and registered users, see 56,000 people registered in Hindi Wikipedia, but out of which only 56 people are editing. So that is current state of Hindi Wikipedia, and I request all of those speakers whose native language is Hindi to come and visit Hindi Wikipedia and please contribute to it. So the community activism and the wiki projects that they can do in Hindi Wikipedia and the current state of Hindi Wikipedia will be changed in the near future. So these are the future plans. Transfer all the existing images from Hindi Wikipedia to Wikimedia Commons. Organizing editing workshop for Hindi speakers. Many other Indic Wikipedias are already in touch with Hindi Wikipedians to conduct wiki workshops for Hindi. Then adding more editors and increase the number of administrators, of course, because Hindi is the biggest community. And we all hope by this year, next time, we will have at least 1,000 users active in Hindi Wikipedia. Thanks. Thank you. Next, I am calling Mr. Swaroop Rao from Kannada Wikipedia to represent Kannada.
Good evening. My name is Swaroop, and I used to be an active editor at Kannada Wikipedia. So the growth of Kannada Wikipedia in particular hasn't been exponential as we have seen in other Indic Wiki projects. It has been quite steady actually, and it even has been declining in recent times. But despite that, we recently crossed 10,000 articles, which is, considering the number of active editors, which is quite a good milestone. And yeah, again, because of the experience of Wikipedians, the depth of articles is good. But we still don't see new editors contributing to the Wikipedia. Again, the number of fairly active editors is around 10 to 12, which is quite good compared to other Indic languages. But there is no community interaction. I mean, you don't see people using the discussion forums or anything. People just keep to themselves. And coming to Wiktionary, actually, Wiktionary has only 2 to 3 active editors. I mean, but they're really dedicated. We have around more than 135,000 entries. And it's supposedly the 19th largest Wiktionaries, counting all WMF projects. And it's, of course, one of the largest Wiktionaries among Indic Wiki project. And I really wish I could call any editor over here, but I don't think anyone is here. I mean, we have one editor who has more than 80,000 edits to Wiktionary. I mean, he's basically a one-man army. He's been contributing a hell lot of entries to Wiktionary. Again, there is a lot of content development as such, but there is no community interaction. Well, the community is composed of 2 members basically, so obviously you won't expect anything else. So, yeah, I guess. Thank you.
Thank you, Suru. So Next, I am calling Mr. Vishwaprabha from Malayalam to represent the Malayalam Wiki community.
Thank you, Shiju. Hello all, good evening. We have only 4 minutes. In the universe of knowledge, we are just a galaxy to be explained in 4 minutes. We don't know. We'll make it. We have stopped looking at the statistics pushing us, but they are chasing us. Statistics just follows us. We do quality work. That's what is our motto now. The number of articles is still not enough, but that is 21,085. Just recently we crossed. The rate of growth of the number of articles is going in an exponential way. Registered users, which is also an index of rather how many people read Wikipedia, not just edit or write, is more than 30,000. In fact, there is, I assume that this will be only 50% of the people who actually care to log in before they read the Wikipedia. Among them, the active users are 287. Very active users are consistently 24 with more than 100 edits per month. In fact, there are some months there are even more. And the total edits is now more than 1,235,000. The average edits per article, which is actually another measure of quality, is 30. We have very few single line documents, articles. In fact, there is a project. Any single line article is treated either very harshly or very softly. We make them to full-sized articles somehow. I would just go on, not with the statistics, but what are our other subjective problems, the strengths, weakness, and opportunities and threats. In the strengths, we have a language which is spoken by Keralites. That is already a community very well known all over the world for its very special high rates of socio-economic welfare indices. Like whether it comes to literacy, infant mortality rate, or family welfare, whatever, Kerala is a very special community within India. And the same thing we have seen also as a factor within Wikipedia. A vast number of diaspora. We have lots of people working out of Kerala, almost everywhere in the world and India. So they all have, many of them are well educated, and some of them have very good expertise in some particular subject matters, and they all support us. And that's one of our greatest strengths. Third is about the target community, Kerala. In Kerala, we have been having big, massive collaborative projects since independence. Some of them like the cooperative movements. We even had a cooperative literary writers society long back since 1950s. And then the library, village library schemes and anti-illiteracy campaigns. And they all, we are very used to collaborative, massive revolution. Political urge and the government. The government has a vision, although it's a little not enough. The people at the government level knows about, they have a vision about how every such project goes on. And the recent years, they have started promoting Wikipedia very seriously. In fact, in some of the domains that probably nowhere in the world they have even imagined. Like we are going to infuse Wikipedia into most of the school curriculum and universities in a very, very big way, potentially creating almost 3 million articles per year. But the groundwork for that is on the in the pipelines. But we do have weaknesses. The perception about Wikipedia by the people as not a source of reliable knowledge. Every time when I talk to a villager or some people who knows just about the Wikipedia, they have a problem. They think that Wikipedia is editable and people do corrupt it and a lot of information is wrong. We say, the right shall persist and the evil shall perish. So eventually all of them will get more and more reliable, and we believe in ourselves, Wikipedia will be as reliable or even better than any pulp encyclopedia. The second one is the lack of consensus in Unicode standards. We have a very, very difficult language when it comes to the complex script scribing within the computers. Malayalam has particular problems, issues, and debates, and groups, and interest, and everything regarding some particular characters and characteristics of Malayalam. But it's a matter of time. We will all still form consensus, and we'll be walking over those hurdles. The lack of sufficient and reliable infrastructure. Like every place in India, we do not have an uninterrupted electrical supply or internet connectivity everywhere. In fact, many of the people have a problem in accessing Wikipedia. But again, it's a matter of time. We will go up in the social way, so everyone will have better connectivity and better resources. Underdeveloped algorithms. This is one of the problems actually faced by all complex script languages, all Indic languages. But in Malayalam, again, we have this big consciousness of alternate content search. For example, semantic search. And our script writers and others have already started thinking of that to find language-sensitive search algorithms. We will incorporate them, and probably others will also take lessons and lessons from Malayalam Wikipedia, I hope. Lack of proper copyright and copyleft affairs. This is another thing. People who start editing Wikipedia, many times they think that they can just copy-paste some content from somewhere else and put into this thing. And some people just take Wikipedia articles and without referring Wikipedia, they try to produce somewhere else. But this is also a matter of time. People are getting more and more aware of such issues. Our opportunities are tremendous. We have just seen a galaxy at a long distance, and our cameras are just zooming in. Someday we know the real might of galaxy. So the growth of awareness among the common mass, the people on the road is getting more better in an exponential way. The governmental initiatives to infuse Wikipedia directly into schools is going to be our biggest opportunity. Maybe that will actually really break through Malayalam as a very, very important language portal in all the Wikipedia, among all the Wikipedia. Our press and media started referring and quoting from Wikipedia in a big way, especially from Malayalam Wikipedia, and especially about Kerala-related articles. And this gives us a lot of motivation, because whatever we write, somebody else is going to quote, and it's going to be records. It's the reverse flow of citations and references. Increased awareness among mass media and school college students. In fact, it is surprising that even a 5th standard student talk about Wikipedia, and they discuss about Wikipedia, and they start creating the Wikipedia, because most of our people, the bigger people, we do it out of satisfaction or rather kind of a personal ego or something. But those students, they are creating the Wikipedia, the real articles, by a kind of enthusiastic creation. But we do have threats, and we have to be very vigilant about them. The knowledge base of foregone era, just the last generation, which has been seeing tremendous transformations during last few years or decades, that generation is fading off, and the knowledge is also fading off. It is the critical threat that we all face, especially in Kerala. We need to acquire all of them and get into Wikipedia very soon, and this is time critical. The other one is vested interests. For example, any social or religious or political, any sectorial interest may come into the Wikipedia just to promote their ideas, but we do it with a very high neutral point of view, and harshly but still lovingly we accept them. They both act as accelerators and brakes, because there is always a counter group which comes as a brake and another kind of rivaling accelerator. So overall, we think that that's also an opportunity. The English is slowly taking over as a spoken language in Kerala, like many other places. This may be temporary or it may be permanent. But I think if Wikipedia is strong enough, we can cash back all those mass back into a real working, functional, local Malayalam. And the vandalism, like everywhere, vandalism may come like a wave or a tsunami sometimes, but we have a big army to fight against that. And the special achievements, we do have several special achievements. These are the 2 CDs we created. They are first in the world in several counts. One is selected articles from the Wikipedia, all on for offline use in normal, for the rather internet, not enabled users. The users not web enabled. And the other one is a Wikisource CD, which I think is a treasure for everyone who reads Malayalam, which contains almost all the articles in the Wikisource, which is already a rich content. And then our outreach statistics is tremendous because we were the first people to start Wiki academies or Wiki workshop among all the Indian Wikipedias. And now we have done more than 20. Almost every month we have a Wiki academy somewhere, sometimes in a very small village or sometimes in a cosmopolitan city. And the annual community week-ups with responsibility with all this thing has a large participation. Malayalam loves Wikimedia. When we start a project like that, we had 2,100 or more media files, photos and videos uploaded within very few days into the commons. The Narayam input tool is done by one of our promising young talent, and now Narayam has gone universal everywhere. As you may know, to the Indic Wikipedias, that is one of the greatest tools right now, which makes our transliterations very easy. Then the school students have started digitizing. So some of the schools take up an old book and they do all the scanning, conversion, texting, everything, corrections, and then finally we have a good full swing Wikisource book, all done by very small, tiny little ones. And also we have been talking to the government agencies, and they have, we have a very proactive interaction with them. And we have been able to take one complete department, the electricity board, to make all their data and programs, everything onto free license. So we are able to reproduce them in Wikipedia, and then Wikipedia acts as a sub-reference or secondary reference to their activities. The same thing goes for the State Encyclopedia Institute, which had already published a very large encyclopedia in Malayalam, and all that information is today available in Wikipedia as editable encyclopedia. We have future outlook, our potential contributors, but I will cut short now. I think I took much more time, but I'm sorry, but I'm also thankful. I appreciate everyone to listen to this. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwaprabha. Next, we shall go to Marathi. I am inviting Mr. Mandar Kulkarni from Marathi Wikipedia to represent Malayalam.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Mandar Kulkarni. I am an editor of Marathi Wikipedia. So now by that time you must have been familiar with this particular page. This is the Mukha Prushtha, that is the main page of Marathi Wikipedia. And this is a very interesting page where you will find a lot of links and all that. Just to introduce that, this is Marathi Wikipedia main page. Okay, this is a very important slide which has been taken from the Wikipedia where it
meetups too. 4 cities, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack and Baleswar. FAQ booklet that's already been done in PDF as well as in the Wikipedia page. Translate Wiki project, that's not a wiki project, but that's a backend project which basically helps for the UI integration. So 2,500 and 2,052 media wiki messages have already been translated, and 6,580 media wiki extension messages have been translated so far. Narayam is a tool which is used for the Indic language input, basically for the transliteration and InScript. So that has been enabled along with few other Indic languages, and even Odia was one of the first, one of the few languages which started this Narayam extension. So apart from that, I would like to say that we just have started this community building in 2011, February, just few months back, and it's really an amazing story with the community building, arranging meetups in different places, gathering people. When initially I joined, when one of my seniors, Ashutosh Kara, he just introduced me to the Odia Wikipedia in 2011, February. Before that, I didn't know that there is something called Odia Wikipedia ever existed. The only thing I used to search as a student during my engineering for 4 years was English Wikipedia. And it's really amazing to see all the languages have come up for the wiki initiatives for the different wiki projects, and we have been growing in a very progressive way. I like to say we're organizing workshops and academies, meetups in different places. And it's good to see that people have been talking about Wikipedia these days, and they're the same people who never thought of using Odia language in the web, in the online. So people are getting educated about typing in Odia, and the next step would be probably we have to educate them. There is something called the Odia Wiki projects, so they have to come forward and contribute for that. So, and it's really a beautiful place to share knowledge. I would like to say, please come forward. The languages which are still in a developing phase, or the languages which have a potential to be a wiki projects, and the native speakers should come forward, because 400 languages in this world are dying because of the lack of participation, and unfortunately, India has 350 of them. So this is a really sad story. And I would like to request all of the native speakers, it doesn't matter what language you speak, but that has some importance in the history of humanity, and there should be some motivation behind you being a Wikipedian to bring up that motivation inside you to become a wiki editor. So I'd like to thank all of you for listening to me.
Thank you, Subhashish. Next I am inviting Mr. Swaroop from Sanskrit Wiki community to present the status of Sanskrit Wiki projects.
Good evening, I am back here again. So I think when Shiju showed the slides earlier, we saw that Sanskrit has only around 50,000 as a native speaker base, and considering that we have an article strength of around 6,500. I think considering the speaker base, which is 6,500, is an extremely good figure. The highlights of the Sanskrit Wiki projects is that since the past 10 months, the activity levels have increased dramatically, and I could say exponentially. And what used to be an almost dead wiki project has now we can see more than hundreds of edits every day. And there is a lot of increase in quality of articles in content, and as well as in the formatting. And of course, from the past 2 to 3 months, the Narayan extension has been implemented thanks to Shiju and to Junaid. Coming to we have scholars and contributors from Samskrita Bharati, an organization from Bangalore. I think some of them are sitting there actually. They've done a lot of work on Wikipedia and Wikisource, and they've been the sole driving force behind the activity levels. And because it was a dead wiki, there was no maintenance work which was done previously, and now translation of interface and articles is being done. In Sanskrit Wikipedia, there are more than 6,000 articles, and the extremely good thing is that we are seeing a lot of interaction between editors, which is absent in many other Indic Wiki projects. And there are many collaborations have taken place aimed at improving main pages and articles in general. And again, many gadgets like Twinkle and Hotcat and Pruvit have been installed. And Wikisource, Wikisource is meant for languages like Sanskrit. I mean, people pass off Sanskrit as a dead language and extinct language, and we strive to keep it alive. Actually, we have lots of entries. Like we have the whole of the Mahabharata uploaded in the Wikisource, and along with Vedas like the Samaveda and Kalidasa's works like Raghuvamsham have been uploaded. And there is a lot of depth in entries. I mean, we just don't have one-liner articles or one-liner entries. So, which is very essential for Wikisource. I mean, when you look at Wikisource, you want to look at a comprehensive entry. So, thank you.
Thank you, Swaroop. Now we have just 2 more languages left. I'm calling Mr. Srikanth from Tamil Wiki community to represent Tamil Wiki projects.
Hi, on behalf of Tamil Wiki community, let me present the state of Tamil Wiki projects. Wikipedia is just being one among them. So on Wikipedia, we have like 41,500 articles, more than around 100 regular and active editors every month. So 80 users at least do 5 edits a month, and 20 users do more than 100 edits per month. Actually, growth has gone like tremendously in the past year. We've got many students and younger generation community members joining in. So that's actually a really reassuring one. And growth has been organic, so it's not like we had like a translator or things like that. Yeah, and moving on to Tamil Wiktionary. In fact, Wiktionary is actually equally bigger project for Tamil. We have around 238,000 words. It's the 10th largest Wiktionary, in top 10 Wiktionary projects ever in Wiktionary, and got a place in the logo of the main site. We have like 15 active and regular contributors. It's actually a small group which is very active. We actually use the policy of growth by donation. So we ask for donations from universities, governments to donate words and meanings in free licenses. We aim to add pronunciation files for most of the words in future. Tamil Wiki News, it's also quite probably only active indie Wiki News project. It's 13th largest Wiki News. We have 6,500 articles, 4 regular and active contributors. Wiki News actually plays an important role given the fact of political situation in Sri Lanka and other places. And others, Wikisource and Wiki books have been moderately active, and we got some kind of revival on both of these projects. Wikicode is still inactive. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Srikanth. So next it is the I'm calling Mr. C.R. Rao from Telugu Wiki community to represent Telugu Wiki projects.
Thank you. Namaste. I am C.B. Rao and not C.V. Rao as told by our speaker. I am from Hyderabad, the land of Telugu people. Starting from December 2003, Telugu Wiki achieved gradually over the years. Rao Vemuri, Vaka Kiran of Silicon Valley, Katta Murthy of Michigan, and Chava Kiran from Hyderabad laid the foundation for Telugu Wiki articles. Later, Vaisa Hacha from Minnesota, USA, Pradeep from Bangalore, Chaduri and Vivian from Hyderabad improved it to the next stage. At present, many new people have joined Telugu Wiki and made it rich with several informative and interesting articles. The current status of Telugu Wikipedia. It is consistently evolving with the technical help of Vivian, Kolichal Suresh, I. Padma, and Nallamotu Sridhar. Telugu Wiki is vibrant with frequent visitors, mostly referred by google.com and independent visitors. We have around 32,97,310 page views per month as on September 2011. That is 76 page views for every minute. Our Telugu Wikipedia is being viewed by the readers. There are around 49,500 articles with yearly growth of 7%. Telugu Wiki has got 22,166 registered users who contribute and give suggestions. We are having about 31 editors who are active, and 16 managers are also actively participating in the Telugu Wikipedia. Regarding this promotion of Telugu in electronic and media, Telugu is clearly seen in iPhones, whereas it is not. There are some teething problems while seeing this Telugu in Android-based telephones. We are working upon it with the use of Navina software to rectify the problem so that the users of Android phones can also read Telugu Wikipedia in their mobile phones. Telugu Wiki projects. We are having Wiki books, Wikisource, and Wiktionary. That is a dictionary of articles on words. And Wiki codes. In Wikisource, we have 7,158 articles of literary value. Regarding Wiki community, Wikipedia is being promoted by eTelugu organization in Andhra Pradesh. It is conducting workshops for enthusiasts to teach techniques of writing for Wikipedia. It is also conducting one-day marathons for Wikipedians to aid the articles and update the articles in Wikipedia. eTelugu proposes to conduct many more marathons in 2012 for further propagation of Wikipedia. I am glad to inform you that I am the Vice President of the organization eTelugu. I thank Arjun Rao Chavala, President Wikipedia India chapter, for helping us in conducting the workshops in Andhra Pradesh. Articles about Telugu Wikipedia are published in Telugu media, which is attracting more people towards Wikipedia and who are joining and contributing to the Wikipedia. In addition to the print media, we are also canvassing about Wikipedia in the electronic media such as TV media, so that more people are attracted towards Wikipedia. As in the past, we propose to write about Wikipedia in the print media as well as the TV media, so that we will be able to attract more talent to Telugu Wikipedia. Thank you.
Thank you, Rao. So, we already told we have Wikipedias in more than 20 languages, out of which already 14 language communities came forward and present the state of their Wikipedia. But the potential of Wikipedias in Indian languages is not at over. We have 20 other Indian languages that is waiting to become live Wikipedias. Mr. Kundan Abhinav, who is working mainly on Angika Wikipedia, will give a general overview of the Indian languages which are in incubator.
Good evening, friends. I will basically discuss the Indic languages status in Wikimedia incubator projects. There are certain languages which are still in incubator, and we are required to mobilize the community to encourage the community to work upon their respective languages in order to get it a live wiki project, live Wikipedia, or you can say full-fledged Wikipedia. These are the list of languages which are still in incubator. Among these, it is Angika, Awadhi, Badaga, Bhili, Bodo, Chhattisgarhi, Dogri, and Kanni Karan, Bodo, Konkani, Kumaini, Kachi, Maithili, Manipuri, Mizo, Rajasthani, Santhali, Saurashtra, Tamang, and Tulu. Basically, number of articles varies from 2 number of articles to 500 articles, and maximum number of articles available in Angika. You will be surprised to know that now Rajasthan is having more than 2 crores of population, but Rajasthani language is still in incubator. Like Konkani is still in incubator, and like other Dogri is still in incubator. Then Chhattisgarhi is still in incubator. There are a lot of potentials lying with these languages to become full-fledged this Wikipedia. So I will now discussing how to start the Wikipedia in Indic languages. Suppose you want to, these are the, I have just shown the list of languages, but more languages can be added in this list, and you can start Wikipedia in your language of choice if you know the languages and you want to put it in on Wikipedia. So there is a very simple process, but the most important thing is you have to get one ISO code for any languages, which is to be start as a Wikimedia incubator projects. So first of all, one ISO code is required, which can be obtained from this Norway by applying with proper documentation for the languages. This is the, then you have to sufficient number of living native speakers so that viable community and audiences can be encouraged to develop the that language Wikipedia. Then you have to create an account on Wikimedia Incubator and make your account global so that it can be log in from any other wiki projects. And you first log in MetaWiki and then create an account and just fill up this information like language code. First of all is language code, which is ISO code. Then all other information are required to be filled up. Then you just submit it. Then after submission, you just create a project. Then you have to log in translatewiki.net, where you are required to translate all the interfaces required to be the Wikipedia for the language. And you have to put the request for new languages. There is a request for new languages page in MetaWiki, and then you get a Wikimedia wiki. So there are status page and where you can see what is the number of articles available in that particular language and how many users and how many contributors are there in certain language projects. And thereafter, after going through the status of articles, language community, there is a language committee which review all the things, and thereafter it is approved as full-fledged Wikipedia of that language. Okay. Then once it is approved, then all the articles available in this incubator projects is imported in this full-fledged Wikipedia with their history, as you see in other full-fledged Wikipedia projects. Thank you.
So thank you all. As you can see, there's a whole lot of work to be done, and it's nice to see many of the communities have a lot of passion and ideas and what needs to be done. I think what we will probably need to do now is drop a plan for each of these projects in terms of what needs to be achieved before the next year, which is what I think Siju has also initiated as part of the Indic language initiative. So thank you all for your time, and thanks, and we are closing this session formally.